children, today let's start with chapter number 4, food and nutrition. So in this chapter, let's study about food and nutrition. People around the world eat variety of food items. In our country, the main food is mostly grains like rice or wheat. People who live near water bodies eat fish. In cold countries, people commonly eat meat. The food that we eat comes from two sources, plants and animals. We get cereal, pulses, vegetable, fruits, beverage items and species from plants. We get milk, egg, meat from animals. So mark A for food item we get from animal and P for plant. So what are nutrients? Nutrients are the various types of substances present in a food and food item that benefit our body and health in different way. Nutrients are needed to keep all living beings alive and help it to grow. So our body needs large number of nutrients to keep itself healthy. Some nutrients gives us energy. कुछ हमें help करते हैं grow करने में and other protect our body from disease. So we can say that food is the source of nutrients to both. Each type of food contains its own quantity and combination of nutrients. One type of food may contain more than one nutrient and other may contain less of that nutrients. Not every food item contains all the nutrients we need. Our body needs all the nutrients of the body in proper amount to keep us alive and helps us to grow. Right now, food nutrients group. We have 5 main nutrients group. We have carbohydrate. It's a nutrients that gives us energy to do that. Carbohydrates release energy quickly. It's the main source of energy for the people who do lot of physical work like the farmer, sports person. Most of the carbohydrates come from plant source. Rice, wheat, potatoes, bread are the rich in carbohydrates. Sugar and starch are the 2 types of carbohydrates. Then we have protein. Protein are the nutrients that build our muscles and bones. It helps us to grow. They are not only needed for the growth of the body, but ये क्या करता है डैमेज्ड एरिया को रिपेयर करता है. Growing children need to eat food rich in protein. Protein helps the body to make new cells. Pulses, beans, fish and milk, they all are rich in protein. Now we have fat. What are fats? They are energy giving food. They do not release energy immediately. Fats हमें क्या देते हैं? More energy than carbohydrates. They are stored in our body to keep us warm. Cream, butter, nuts and oil. They are some sources of what? Fats. Too much of fat can lead to disease like blood pressure, heart problem and obesity. Vitamins are needed in small amount to keep our body healthy to protect from disease. Fruits, vegetables, milk, they are rich in vitamin A, B, C, D and K. Let's study about vitamin A जो हमारी eyes को skin को healthy रखता है. Vitamin B good for muscles. Vitamin C gums और heels bounce करता है. Vitamin D bones को care करता है और Vitamin K it's care for us. Now minerals. Minerals provide nutrition to our teeth, bones and blood. Calcium and phosphorus are minerals that keeps our bones and teeth strong. Iron helps us to carry oxygen in the blood. Milk and a green leafy vegetable, they are rich in minerals. Next is roughage. Along with 5 major nutrients, water and roughage are also important. Roughage is that part of the body which contains lot of fiber. It helps in the smooth movement of balls every day. Right? So we can say raw vegetable and fruits, they are rich in fiber. Water, almost 2/3 of the body is made up of water. We lose lot of water as sweat through our urine or body and it helps the body work well and maintain the body temperature. Right? Then we should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Then we have our balanced diet. What is balanced diet? It is a diet that contains all amount of nutrients. Right? So if we eat or taste or eat only one kind of food all the item, our body will not get all the nutrients in right time. So we should therefore eat a balanced diet. A balanced diet is one in which all the nutrients are present in correct amount. We should not eat junk food because they are unhealthy like pizza, chowmein, burger, cold drink, etc. They do not provide essential nutrients. We should eat more fruits and vegetables which provide what? Sufficient amount of vitamins. And now digestion of food. The food that we eat is not directly used by our body. ये क्या provide करता है? Energy provide करता है. And the process of breaking down of food into simpler form is called digestion. और digestive food को हम कौन absorb करता है? It is absorbed by the blood and taken to all the parts of body. जितने भी हमारे body parts है सब जगह जाते हैं. Now process of digestion. So the process of digestion begins from movement. We put food into the mouth. Our teeth bites and chew the food and break it into small pieces. As we chew, the saliva in our mouth mixes with the food. Saliva is digestive liquid secreted by salivary gland. It changes insoluble starch in food and soluble sugar. That is why starchy foods like bread and rice taste sweet after we chew it. From the mouth, the food passes into stomach through a food pipe. और जो हमारा स्टमक है इट्स अ हॉलो मस्कुलर बैग. कैसा होता है? हॉलो होता है, मस्कुलर बैग होता है एंड द फूड इज टर्न्ड हियर, एंड जो डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस होते हैं जितने भी हमारे स्टमक में, वो ब्रेक डाउन करते हैं प्रोटीन्स जो आपके फूड में प्रेजेंट होता है, किससे, इनटू अ सिंपलर फॉर्म. From the stomach, the food is pushed into a long colloid tube called small intestine. Inside the walls of small intestine, एक जूस प्रोड्यूस होता है, वो आपके किसके साथ, फूड के साथ मिक्स हो जाता है. एंड द लीवर एंड पेनक्रियाज ऑल्सो पोर देयर जूसेस इनटू स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. ये किस में हेल्प करते हैं? इट हेल्प्स टू कम्प्लीटली डाइजेस्टेड फूड, एंड डाइजेस्टेड फूड इज ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ लिक्विड. और जो ब्लड वेसल्स प्रेजेंट होती है इन द वॉल्स ऑफ स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, वो डाइजेस्टेड फूड को क्या करती है, एब्जॉर्व करती है, उसको कैरी आउट करती है, और जो अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड है उसको कहाँ पास कर देती है, लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन में. सो आफ्टर द ब्लड वेसल इन द वॉल, जो लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन वो क्या करती है, एक्स्ट्रा वाटर को स्टोर करती है, और जो सेमी सॉलिड वेस्ट है वो पास्ड आउट हो जाता है थ्रू एनस इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फेसेस. राइट, दिस इज ऑल about in this chapter. Now our country has a large population and many people are in our country do not get enough food, जिससे वो अपने हंगर को क्या कर सके, satisfy कर. So we should never waste. Right, this is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.